Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, we will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope you're enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is wooden gardens in Korea. Simple wooden sink for your garden. Write words such as "Welcome to my garden of dream" or "Relax and enjoy." You can decorate the sink with flower, leaves, or small paint design. Visit at the entrance of beside your favorite plant. Fairy garden. A tiny fairy garden can make a garden corner feel magical. Use a small pot or wooden box as the base. Added tiny plants, stones, house lit up pathway, and a small decoration. You can even create a tiny chairs or bridge. This is especially fun if you enjoy a creative time project. Friend, and viewers, a bird feeder is both decorative and useful. You can make one using wood can arc up small container or other safe materials. Place bird food inside and hang it from a strong branch. Watching birds visit your garden can make the space feel more peaceful and alive. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, garden lighting can completely change the atmosphere of a garden. Use outdoor lighting or solar lights along pathway and flower beds. You can also place small decorative lights around tree fence or sitting areas. Soft lighting can make your garden look beautiful in the evening. So viewers, Allah hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and